Hello. Yeah, it's pretty hard to see. Maybe you can see it on the playback, but we're looking at a swarm of bees in the tree. Let's see. That big cluster in the tree right there is a swarm. That right there is a swarm of bees. Quit! Now stop tickling me. We noticed them because you could see them. See them all out here. You see them through the window. The guy we just talked to came out of that truck down there. Said he called the beekeeper friend of his. So we might go outside. Actually, I'm gonna go outside and check it out.
Maybe.
Supposed to work. I bought a nuke off a guy that had plastic frames in it. But I never did, refill them or anything. Yeah. Right up on there, huh? I'm gonna see if I'll get This is Jerry Temple. I graduated.
Yep, that's her oldest brother. Yep, Jerry, and then there's Terry, there's Pat.
That worked out real well.
Yeah, you work for the Boilermakers?
Yep, I used to be a pipe fitter.
Yep.
He's gonna put the bees in that box right there.
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's the goal.
Looks like that box has got little holes in it. How does that work?
They're supposed to fly into there or something.
What's going to make them want to go in there?
He's gonna put another queen, I think, in there.
So what's going to happen to the old queen?
I don't know. That's a very good question.
Okay. The keeping of bees. The retreat.
Okay, sports fans.
If I was a bee, I would hate to get sprayed. Oh wow. It's like slingshot them into it. Wow.
That's nuts. Oh, there they go. Look, they're everywhere now.
Oh wow.
You can hear them.
They're upset.
That's enough for you. That's enough for you. Oh, look at it. Now you can hear them. Yeah, that's what it sounded like when I did them. Well, now you cut them off.
Wow.
They're all over the place.
Yeah, now would be the time to go down there.
Not for me. Now what's going on?
Well, roll your window up. Got bees out here. Got beehives. Uh-oh. There they are. Get out of church and come. Get your truck and have a surprise or something.
What's going on in the box? Doesn't seem to be enough bees in the box yet, does there?
They're trying to get in, but they can't get in from the side there. So that's
Right.
what
They can smell it, but they can't do
Yeah.
it. And
see, them are the retarded bees there. They don't know to go around. Dumb ones. They take the short school, bust the school.
Yeah. Yeah, I call them hive challenged.
Yeah.
So politically correct.
Yeah. There's been a lot of that lately, hasn't there?
You're just making fun of bees. It's not like you do anything wrong.
But that's what the bees will put the comb in. And that's what I cut the comb out of to make comb honey.
Interesting. If you don't mind, I'm going to film you getting this thing down. That's going to be cool. Is that cool with you?
Yeah, I don't
All
care.
right. What's your name again?
Ralph Lowe.
Ralph Lowe. Nice to meet you, Ralph Lowe.
You too. Well, this is not very flamboyant, actually.
You ever have any problems with them crawling up your pant leg?
Yes.
Yeah.
And if when I'm working my bees, I'll have leggings on that go over these. Yeah. Thing of it is, they hate black, like that black watch.
Uh-huh.
If I happen to squish one of them and make them mad, they'll come and go whap and hit me right beside that black watch.
Really? Wonder why that is.
I think it's because they think it's an eyeball.
Really? Huh. Like an animal eye.
Yep.
Yeah.
What I'm going to put this strap on there first.
Now, before you start carrying that, do you close up that hole, or
Yeah.
do you?
While I'm putting this strap on stuff, I'm going to let whatever wants to go back in there.
Go get in there, yeah.
Okay, kids, going in. Get in. Thought I had a limb wrapped up that thing. Okay, now I'll take his top off.
So they're all in there.
Yep.
Wow.
That way they won't get too hot.
See.